好的。
Hi guys, yeah. Today we have some ready-made machines ready for ship. This is 20 horsepower all-in-one variable frequency machines. 20 horsepower means it's 15 kilowatts with 2.4 cubic meters per minute air output. 8 bar as a working pressure. Now they are packing for exporting. We have 20 horsepowers today and 30 horsepowers today. You see a lot of them, and also we have a big 150 horsepowers all in one. Yeah. So everything is ready for shipment, including the machine, the compressor, the cylinder tank, and the filters. So if you are interested, just drop me a line, or you can visit my blog at chinacompressor.org. Thank you.